Do you want to remove an Instagram highlight? You can delete Instagram story highlight with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To remove an Instagram story highlight, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen to go to your profile. Now, you'll see all your story highlights displayed as circles above your photo grid. Tap and hold the highlight you want to remove. A pop-up menu will appear at the bottom of the screen. From this menu, tap on Delete Highlight. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you want to delete the highlight. Tap on Delete to confirm your action. Now, the selected Instagram highlight will be permanently removed from your profile and no longer visible to your followers.